Did you know that decades ago, forests covered nearly half of the Earth's land area? As the global population continues to expand, it has become essential to repurpose some of these forested areas for agriculture and other uses. This often involves clearing large forests, a task facilitated by heavy machinery such as bulldozers, often aided by anchor chains. In today's exploration, we delve into the impressive capabilities of bulldozers and anchor chains in forested terrains. Remember to like this video and subscribe for more insightful content. Deforestation, the deliberate removal of forested land, is undertaken for various purposes, including agriculture, livestock grazing, and timber production for construction, manufacturing, and fuel. Forests, teeming with massive trees, dense vegetation, and diverse living organisms, pose significant clearance challenges. Relying solely on manual labor for this task would take years to clear even a small area. Therefore, a variety of machinery and attachments, including bulldozers and anchor chains, are utilized. Bulldozers, known for their roles in moving heavy rocks or structures, are equipped with large metal blades or dozer blades. These are pivotal in moving debris, soil, and sand. Anchor chains, on the other hand, are sturdy chains primarily used with anchors on marine vessels. They are crucial for a ship's stability and security when moored or at anchor, forming an integral part of the anchoring system. Both bulldozers and anchor chains can be effectively used to remove trees, stumps, and other obstacles in forested areas. Challenging terrains, such as swamps, ruins, and mountains, necessitate the use of bulldozers with their large tires or tracks and powerful engines. Chaining, an environmentally impactful method, involves dragging a large anchor chain between two bulldozers to uproot trees. As the bulldozers traverse back and forth, the heavy chains, sometimes weighing over 20,000 pounds, flatten swaths of trees. This process disturbs the soil and destroys underbrush, leaving behind a trail of devastation. Chaining serves various purposes, including firebreak creation, pasture land improvement, and natural habitat restoration. However, the Bureau of Land Management's annual expenditure on vegetation removal in the western U.S., involving forests and sagebrush stands, has sparked debate. These projects, often justified as fire prevention and habitat restoration efforts, face scrutiny over their scientific validity and environmental impact. Critics argue that such projects, especially when using heavy machinery, degrade wilderness values and disrupt ecosystems. These activities also pave the way for invasive species like cheatgrass to flourish in disturbed soils. Furthermore, the BLM's reseeding practices and limited grazing rest periods exacerbate these issues. Mechanical vegetation removal poses a direct threat to America's undeveloped public lands and natural ecosystems. This is particularly concerning in light of the 30 by 30 conservation goal, aiming to protect 30% of U.S. lands and oceans by 2030 to combat climate change and biodiversity loss. While bulldozer-led deforestation falls an estimated 15.3 billion trees annually, contributing to greenhouse gas emissions and ecosystem disruptions, alternatives like reforestation and sustainable land management are vital for balancing human needs with environmental conservation. This presentation aims to shed light on the complexities of land and tree clearing using bulldozers and anchor chains. For more informative content on innovations and powerful construction equipment, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching.